Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from RazorEmporium.com. Today to talk about a beautiful and rare set from the Gillette new era. Now, many have heard of the new improved, many have heard of the old type. Maybe you've missed this very brief window of period of time called the Gillette new. This is right after the new improved ended in 1929. And this is right before Gillette was acquired by the Valet Auto Strop company. Now, many people don't know about that. We'll save that story for another video another time. But the tail end of the classic Gillette brand as we know it, the original Gillette brand. And so this is a razor set called the Cruiser. It replaced the Traveler from the new improved era. It features in the same way two big metal canisters that have soap and a brush. It features a standard razor and a blade bank full of 10 blades. Now it doesn't have the two blade banks. This just has one. And you'll notice the new style of razor has no stabilizer pins in the bottom of the head. It's flat. And if you open it up, you're going to notice a long slot across the entire length of the head to position the blade. This razor, just like the new standard, was the same razor put into many different cases. So you would find this exact same razor in the new Criterion set or the Belmont or all these other, class designation of razors. And the case is what kind of made it, this razor set or this razor set. This is plated in 24 karat gold, has 10 blue blades inside. I'm very happy to show it has all original 10 blue blades. And this set dates to fourth quarter of 1934. Now, the razor serial number sometimes is hard to decode in this era. So a lot of times if you have the original set, you can look at the blades, and that's what we did in this case, to see the actual letter code and numerical code for quarter and for year. But I mean, this is so beautiful, having original brush. There's even the original wax paper stuffed down inside this tube. And of course the original soap stick. These are great in the original wax paper. I keep on saying original, and I say that because that's the most exciting part for us collectors, is to see all of the original pieces. Now, we don't have the shipper box. We only have this one side of the shipper box that says Cruiser. But to have something like this in all this glory, all this original condition, the plating is in great order. The actual leather case is beautiful. I would say easily on a rarity scale of 1, you can find it at a thrift store, to 5, it belongs in a museum. I would say this is easily a 5 out of 5. Not something you're ever going to come across normally, and the price point on something like this, easily $300, $400, $500 minimum, in my opinion, in this kind of order. Now, you're missing the tubes, or the plating's really bad, you can start marking it down from there. But I'm talking about pristine condition, 5 out of 5, something that you're not going to come across every day. Very, very elegant period of time. The new deluxe razor from Gillette. They were kind of taking the new standard from the new improved era and tweaking it just a little bit. Has that same diamond knurl, has the same 3-piece design, but just kind of a different method of holding the blade. And that was actually one of the main reasons that Gillette was acquired by Valet. Has to do with the blade wars, as I call them, the war to try to lock out one competitor from another over who can make the blades and who has a patent to the shape of the cutout of the blade. But again, another story for another time. Thank you so much for watching. This is the new Cruiser razor from Gillette's history, 1934. If you have any other questions, please leave a comment below. Do you know anything about the new series? Do you have another piece like this? Let us know. And if you do, you're interested to win this, the official Razor Emporium t-shirt, just by leaving a comment. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We'll see you next time at Razor Emporium for all things vintage shaving.